I want to introduce you to an amazing product that has been a game changer in my kitchen organization. The Stackable Egg Holder. If you're like me, you probably struggle with finding enough space in your fridge to store eggs without them getting crushed or lost. But with this organizer, you can say goodbye to that problem for good. First of all, I love the drawer design of this holder. It allows for compartmental storage, which means I can easily take out the eggs without squeezing them or having them bump into each other. And the breathable design ensures that they stay fresh for longer. What's even better is that the grid design of each compartment fits the egg shape perfectly, ensuring that they are orderly and not fragile. I used to worry about my eggs breaking whenever I had to move them around, but with this organizer, that's not a concern anymore. And the best part, this holder is stackable, which means I can save even more space in my fridge. I can layer it on top of other containers, and it still allows me to make full use of every inch of space. It's also perfect for those with limited fridge space, as it can hold a large capacity of eggs without taking up too much room. Overall, I highly recommend this stackable egg holder. It's made with green materials, which is a plus in my book, and it's incredibly easy to use and convenient. If you're looking for a way to organize your eggs and save space in your fridge, this is the product for you. Link in the description.